Chepe daw siya. Ano siya, chepe o cool? Ah? Grabe sa angkol. Okay, kasi natin gusto ni Victor pasalamatan.
Salamat di ay sa akong make-up artist, kung sa akong family nga supportive, kung sa akong mga supporter.
Ah, tanaw. Mapakali pag-apilihan. Ano siya, supporters. Okay, sige. So ako na rin mabulot, ma'am, since isa naman ng duty siya. Okay, ready na kasi mong pangutanan? Okay, sige. Thank you to Kulay House at Makeup. Ah, Maxine. Si Maxine nag-makeup kay ma'am. Okay. Thank you to Romax. Okay, here's your question. If you could share one piece of advice with young women everywhere, what would it be and why? If you could share one piece of advice with young women everywhere, what would it be and why?
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for your wonderful question. I share one piece of advice is being a good person or kind to others. Because of this, I can see the association with anyone. And I thank you.
Thank you. Candidate number 6 representing Purok Siete.